don't know, but I like it. We are about to go inside of the
famous robot restaurant.
It's only been around for about 6 years in Japan, but it's pretty incredible. We get to sit up front and get close and get to show you what it's like. You ready to go into this thing?
Yeah,
Lincoln?
I don't really know what to expect.
We're going in before anybody else because we told them we're YouTubers and they're super cool YouTubers. This is definitely the shiniest elevator I've ever been in. We are now in the waiting room. It's like the staging area before you go down to see the performance. This is big time. There's like 3 or 4 shows every single day throughout the week. They have around 140 dancers that are all part of these performances, and about 30 or 40 of them are part of each one of the shows. So it's a very small space, and we're about to see a performance with robots, with lasers, with music, and tons of lights. I mean, look at this place. It's like more crazy fun than Disneyland.
This room is just making me even more confused of what's yet to come. Like, do you see this? What are these chairs?
Lincoln's never watched any YouTube videos on this. I've watched a couple. That's where I got the idea and said, John, I would like to go to these places. What do you think? And he's like, I've never been to one
I don't
before.
know, like, robot what? Restaurant? This is growing on me. This is really groovy. Remember, Lincoln, when we used the word groovy in the 70s?
No, I don't. Sorry.
You forgot already?
Yeah.
We're just waiting for the show to start. And a boy or a girl or a robot just came out and is playing the guitar right now. This place is filling up. The robot guitarist is now leaving. And we're about to go down the stairs into the actual room. I guess there's an elevator that you can go down, but the stairs sound a lot cooler. And then we'll show you exactly what it's gonna look like. I just talked to one of the main people that's running it. Oh, and they said that we can have a front row seat and we can capture all the footage we want, but we can't put our arms out because it's kind of dangerous. This is quite the show and we're in a really small space. So, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. This is gonna be weird though. How deep underground are we right now?
John, have you ever been to the underground of Tokyo before?
Not this underground.
You're about to be in it.
This is pretty underground.
Look at this, like an LED screen on the ceiling. I can't believe we're still going. When in Tokyo, right? Okay, this is it. How do they fit 100 and something people in here just to watch it? There's really not that many seats. Okay, I need to make my way through this tight space to our seats. Lincoln! We're getting closer from starting, and all we know so far is there's a spinny alien head thing in the middle of the room. That's a good sign of what's to come, I think.
Welcome to Robot Restaurant. We hope you have a wonderful time.
The show is 90 minutes long. Did you see that?
I thought it was like an hour. 90 minutes?
We're gonna be here a while.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to world famous Robot Restaurant!
It's beginning! This is awesome. All right, I think this is starting. I'm not so sad about the 90 minutes thing anymore. like it? Thoughts so far?
Weird and funny to watch.
They just put chains up, like chain walls, so that you can't get past it. I really don't know what's gonna happen. We just had like a 10-minute break so people could get food. They're fighting. It's like Pokemon in real life.
It's not working.
That was really actually kind of cool. If you're ever in Japan, I recommend it. But wow, I don't know what I just watched. We're done. That was something.
That was, I don't know, the laser part was cool.
A lot of it was cool. A lot of it I didn't understand. And a lot of it I'm just like, I don't care if I understand it. It is cool.
Yeah.
So TripAdvisor has that as one of the top things to do if you're ever in Japan or Tokyo. I can see why, because as a tourist, it's like everything that you think when you think of Tokyo and when you think of cartoons from Japan, like with anime and everything in it. It was kind of that came to life, like Pokemon or something. There it is. It's that building. I don't really know where we were. I think we were like 3 or 4 floors down.
We were either up or down. I'm not really sure either. I'm so disoriented. Is this Japan?
There we go. There's a robot restaurant. If you ever want to go, I would definitely recommend it. It's a little pricey, but it's a good experience if you're looking for that Japanese touristy experience.
I don't think you can come to Tokyo and not go there. It is the pricey thing is maybe the biggest problem, but I gotta tell you, hands down, like I feel like I was just blown away by a jet engine. It's like, wow.
I was like enjoying it, like all the things were cool in it, but I was just confused what was going on.
Yeah, you just gotta step back and just not even try to figure it out.
You're overthinking it.
Yes.
It's just, it is what it is. Ah!
Let me know in the comments, what did you guys think about the robot restaurant and the show? I'd love to know your thoughts. What parts did you like? That was pretty fun. But it's cold out here. Time to go eat some dinner.